A standard bag of cold tar mix typically covers 1 square meter at a thickness of 18 millimeters. So, plan quantity by multiplying the area you need by the desired depth. Cold tar mix is designed for quick repairs and patching of asphalt surfaces and is sold in pre-measured bags that are ready to use without heating. For accurate planning, measure the length and width of the area to get square meters and decide on repair depth. For potholes deeper than 30 millimeters, it is better to fill in layers, compacting each layer, rather than trying to place one deep lift. Use a straight edge and ruler to profile the damaged area and clean it thoroughly of loose debris, standing water, and vegetation, because good mechanical bonding starts with a dry, sound surface. When placing the mix, shovel it into the repair and tamp it down with a hand tamper or the back of a shovel until it is firm and slightly proud of the surrounding surface to allow for compaction under traffic. Avoid overworking the mix by excessive manipulation because that can break aggregate and reduce durability. Instead, focus on consistent compaction and correct depth. For edges, feather the mix into the existing pavement rather than creating sharp vertical faces which can chip away under load. If the repair area is wider than 1 meter square or irregular, divide the work into manageable sections and calculate total bags by summing each section area times depth, then rounding up to allow for waste. Common mistakes include underestimating depth and buying too few bags, which leaves you with a patch that will settle. Always calculate area in square meters and multiply by the preferred depth in meters, then convert to the bag coverage rate of 1 square meter at 18 millimeters and buy at least 10% extra for waste. A second issue is poor surface preparation, where dirt or moisture prevents proper compaction and bond. Solve this by cleaning to bare sound material, drying if needed, and removing vegetation before placing mix. Third, trying to place a single thick lift for deep repairs leads to poor compaction and premature failure. Fix this by placing the mix in layers no deeper than 18 to 30 millimeters and compacting each layer thoroughly. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners estimate material needs and connect with local contractors for projects like asphalt repairs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users share tips, measurements, and real-world experiences so contractors can find work and homeowners can get practical advice.